Hi guys, welcome back to another cooking video here with Yessi. Today I will be doing a salmon with some rice, Mexican rice, and on the side with some mushrooms and tomato and a bell pepper with some broccoli. So I hope you guys enjoy this cooking video. Thank you guys for always being patient with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. So I am preheating the oven to 400 Fahrenheit degrees. So now I'm going to be seasoning the Salmon. This is how we say it in Spanish. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right in English, but salmon. So I oiled the pan with some canola oil, and I'm going to bake 4 pieces of salmon, just so each one can eat one. So this will feed about 3 people, so me, my mom, and my brother. So as you guys can see, I'm adding the canola oil. So for seasoning, I added some lemon, pepper, and some parsley, and then I added some salt. And don't add too much salt, but the lemon pepper is not, it doesn't have any salt, so you can add as much as you guys would like. And you can add whatever seasonings you guys like it with, but this is what I ended up using. So while the oven was preheating, I was going to make the rice. So I add about probably, I don't know, I'm bad at measuring, but I would say I add maybe a little bit less than half a cup of oil. And you want to let this heat up pretty good, so I let it heat up for about 2-3 minutes. It's heating up. I'm making the tomato sauce to add to the rice. You want to make sure you have this done before you are frying your rice, because you want to add it as soon as the rice is pretty fried, and obviously you don't want your rice to burn. So I'm making about 1 cup of rice. So for 1 cup of rice I use 2 tomatoes, and I cut some onion and half a piece of garlic, and then I add I would say about maybe 2 cups of water. For 1 cup you add 2 cups of water to the rice. Now there's 2 cups of water. Now you want to blend this pretty well. While this is blending, I am going to start frying the rice. So I add the 1 cup of rice, and you want to continuously keep moving it so it fries pretty good and evenly. So now I'm putting the salmon in the oven, and I first put it in for about 10-15 minutes, but then I saw that it still needed more time, so I left it, I would say 20 minutes baking, and then for 5 more minutes I put it on the boiler so it could kind of cook on top, and I put it in low for 5 minutes. So while the salmon was baking, I was doing the rice, and then I'll show you guys here in a bit me doing the mushrooms. So the rice was done frying, so now I was adding the tomato sauce. I let it boil for about 10 minutes in medium high heat, and I add some of this consomate. I'm not sure what it's called in English, but it looks like that. And I add this, and then I add a little bit of salt. And like I said, I let this cook for 5-10 minutes on medium heat. Then I will add the rest of the tomato sauce, and I add like maybe half a cup of more water to it, and then you want to lower it to low heat because you want it to cook, because if you don't lower the heat, the rice won't cook that good, and it'll dry out too fast, and then the rice will be too hard. Now I was changing it to the broil in low so it could cook on top, and I did lower the temperature to 350 also, so there's a glimpse of it. And I love salmon or fish, guys. It's really healthy for you guys. You have your omega-3s, good healthy fats. So now I was going to saute the mushrooms. I added about that much of oil. I didn't want to add too much oil, so I did count some of the mushrooms because some of them were too big. So I did wash the mushrooms, and now I'm putting them in the pan. I let them cook for about 5 minutes or so. Then I started adding the bell pepper, and lastly I added the broccoli to it. So I let this cook for about another 10 minutes, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this cooking video. If you guys have any more ideas, please comment down below. And this is the end result. So don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and if you're not new, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and welcome back. And here you guys go. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.